How to blacklist numbers of specific destination of a client in VOS3000. Go to Shortcut, then click on Number Management and select Black-White List Group. Click Filter and click Add. This will add a black-white list group. Now click on the added bar and write down Blacklist with destination name. Note: always write destination name after writing Blacklist. Now, click Apply. After processing, click on the added destination. Now, click Filter and click on Import. Select the file which contains numbers you want to be blacklisted. Note: the file format should be in this respected form. First row should contain numbers and second row contains destination name. Now, import the respected file and click on Apply and Filter. Close the Blacklist tab and click on Apply and Filter. Now click on Account Management, select the account type to Clearing and click Filter. Now, select the client name of whom you want to add numbers to Blacklist. Now, scroll to the right and click on Cali Black-White List Group. Now, adjust routing gateway of that client to forbidden. Click here to add the blacklist number. Now click on Add. Select the file you added previously in Black-White List Management and click Apply. Note: adding blacklist numbers to Cali means calls cannot ring on those numbers.